This is where now we are promoting training farmers on regenerative agriculture practices, and it's through this project that we are able to second a full-time agronomist to this cooperative who visits farmers on a door-to-door basis, telling them on the best practices around regenerative agriculture. So they'll get a package for like 10 shade trees to avocado trees to incentivize. Yes.
So we organize training and like a few days and also solo training, and the farmers come, we train them, at the same time we distribute the tree at the same time, and we train them on how to plant the trees and the benefits, and they are ready to take up, especially after the training.
And that includes now conservation agriculture, where mulching as a practice is encouraged so that you can cover the soil throughout the year, encourage cover crops so that you reduce the loss of water from the soils. We're also promoting agroforestry. In this case, we've set up a nursery here for agroforestry trees. So we're encouraging farmers to intercrop their coffee with shade trees. And these shade trees are the indigenous trees as well as fruit trees that can also be of economic benefit to the farmers. Us investing back in the farmer, like we don't want the farmer to take up the challenge of climate change alone. So we as coffee, we as their clients, and Nestlé also as our key client, we partner together and invest in the farmers' activities.